Guys, are you ready to clean with me? We're finally doing it. We're cleaning all of this out, making room for the Christmas tree. The boys came home last night. They just left again, but they should be home again tonight. So they're gonna bring up the Christmas tree so that I don't have to try to do it. I was gonna try to do it myself and then I was like, I don't know. But I am ready to clean. I had Gage grab the ladder so that I can clean the TV really well. Got my belly strapped up so that it doesn't feel like my baby's about to pop out of my belly button. And I was about to start cleaning and then I realized that my diffuser, this is like a little diffuser. It's from California Fresh Home. This is the best smelly thing that I've ever used. You get the diffuser and it has like this on the bottom and you plug it in and then it comes with these, or you order these. They have different scents and it has a liquid in it. This one's gone, I just noticed. But the great thing about these, not only do they smell great, they have something in it that kills the bad odors in your house. So it smells good, but I for sure notice if it's not going because it kills all the bad odors. And someone cooked eggs and I was like, why does it still smell like eggs? And then I was like, oh, I think that is gone because it like lets out little like puffs and it wasn't doing that. So I just ordered these and they are kind of pricey, but they last quite a while. And right now they've started doing like seasonal kits. I'm gonna leave a link down below. They do seasonal kits that you can get and you'll save a lot of money getting those. Right now they have their fall and their Christmas scents that you can choose from. My very, very favorite scent that they have is the fall cider. That is why I have 4 of them that I ordered. But I really love their Christmas scents too. They have Main Street Christmas and this Torrey Pines. It smells like a Christmas tree. Oh my gosh, I'm dropping everything. So those are the ones that I love the most. They have one that smells like Anthropology or like Capri Blue. Is that what that's called? The candle that everyone loves and it smells so good. This is the one that I used to have going all the time and then I dared venture out because I just loved it so much. I really, really like this one too. It's like a cozy smell. The magic happens, but I haven't tried any that I don't love. So like I said, I'm gonna leave a link down below. This is a great Christmas gift. They also do a gift box, and I think that they'll run a good Black Friday special. I think that they normally do that, so there will be a big discount on the scents too. Truly love it. I've tried Pura, obviously candles, different diffusers, and this one has been my favorite because just that odor blocker in there makes such a difference. This was a gift that I gave to my sisters a couple years ago just because I love it so much. So if you're looking for something like that or a gift idea for someone, I recommend that. I'm already out of breath. How am I gonna clean? I don't know. I'm gonna power through. I have another one by my front door. And then I have another one downstairs. I just like to put them all over the place, mostly where all the bad odors are. The kitchen and where the boys are. Okay, got them switched and plugged in and now my house is smelling better and I just feel like I'm gonna be more motivated to clean if it smells better in here. I'm also about to turn on some Christmas music. So I'm just gonna start in here and get everything cleared out, vacuumed, mopped, wiped down all of the things and then I'm gonna move into this area. Once I have all of this cleaned out, wiped down, swept, mopped, all the things, then I'll start decorating. Do you have your Christmas decorations up? Do you decorate like the beginning of November or do you decorate after Thanksgiving? Let me know. guys, I cleaned in here and then I got really tired and my belly was feeling so heavy, and then Layla was having a play date, so we took a break and did nails. But the boys got home and Gage got the Christmas tree for me.
What's up?
I was gonna try to do it myself.
What's up, dude?
And I'm happy that you didn't, because I don't know.
I got you.
I feel like
got your
that
back.
wouldn't have been good. I did move the couch by myself.
You did?
Yeah, duh. Who else was
Thought
here?
Layla
Layla? I have talked about this before. I don't like the couch like this. I don't like the furniture setup like this, but it is nice for the holidays with the Christmas tree up. But all I want is a sectional, like right here. I'm gonna get it one day. Hopefully, maybe before the baby gets here. Gage also switched the light bulbs. We got new light bulbs. So now they're all the same and it's so much brighter. Okay, this is what we're thinking. I filled this box full of books because I want my tree propped up a little bit, because I feel like I can't fit very many presents underneath. So the thing that I'm not sure about is if it's gonna stay, because the box isn't really wide enough. It is sturdy, you know.
But if it does tips like this.
But will it? Like, why would it get tipped, you know?
Yeah. Like,
I don't
in
know.
order to be like.
I asked Casey, he made fun of us and then went to his office because he had to do something. I was like, no, but really, do you think it will work or not? Because he was like, no, that's not gonna work. And then he was like, I take it back, it will work. And then and I was like, he was walking out, I was like, tell me, what? So I don't know. So, I don't know, Gage, do you think we should just try it?
Yeah, I think we should.
Let's just try
This Christmas tree up.
I know, the flock.
It gets like in my neck.
It's so bad. It's so bad. Okay. I was also gonna get like a thing of lights to go on the top, and then it's just like the lights come down, and I was gonna like push them, add lights to the tree, but I didn't, and so it's fine. I'm trying not to spend money on unnecessary things, because all I want to do is consume, and that is not good, because then I have too many things and then I don't use all the things and we don't need it. Okay. Okay, Gage. Gage
You know what this is? Comment
loves
down below.
yoga.
Comment no more.
Okay, get this. Is this the one?
This is not the one.
This is the one.
This is the
We
one.
also have our cute light switch. I got this from Target last year and it's so cute.
Look,
And we
I'll
have
leave a link
this.
for it. From what?
I punched a wolf in the face. Should have seen him.
So that we'll hook up to this, and then it will. Wait, does that have a? I think that should have a plug.
No, it's like Bluetooth, remember?
No?
There's nowhere to plug it into.
We definitely have to plug it in.
Into what?
That? Was there a plug by this?
There's not a plug to go into this thing.
Okay, I know. I think there's a separate plug for this that connects it to Bluetooth.
That makes sense.
I don't know. We'll see. I just can't imagine this would just automatically connect to that.
It's a Christmas miracle.
The tree isn't connected to my phone, guys. Not all the things are connected. I know that's hard to understand because you guys are just used to like those things working. Casey, please help. Is this gonna work or is the tree gonna fall over?
It should work.
It should? Wait, does that need to be open more? I think so. Okay, now we have to figure out which one. Oh, we ditched the box, guys. It was not looking, that was too tall. It was not looking right. Okay, I don't know which one goes next. Keep working, weirdo. We're all covered in flock. How did that feel?
It hurt.
I put these ping pong balls on my tree a few years ago and I think it's so cute.
You want me to plug it in?
Yeah, I do want you to plug it in. I guess we better make sure that they're all working. Oh my gosh, everything is so much harder with
Is that
We should have done this at the beginning.
Yeah, we should have. And we also should not have worn black hoodies, but it's fine.
Oh.
Is it working?
No, push it. You know the clicker? Yay! Yep, it's all working. Good job, Gage. One more piece.
Where's the little flopper thing?
Huh?
Like the clicker.
Did you make sure we can reach the clicker?
Yeah. Put like an angel on the top this year.
There we go.
Mommy, did you stitch that?
Huh?
Did you stitch
I'm sorry, but can you turn it
This way?
so that that weird thing is in the back?
Yeah.
I'm so happy I'm not doing this right now. Thanks, Gage.
The top is a little messed up, but I left
Yeah.
the ladder in here.
Oh no.
Stuttering.
Kate, since you're tall, you have to open that up. Yeah, it for sure would have been way too tall on that box.
I don't know how to fluff them. Wait.
You're doing great. You're doing such a good job. Oh yeah, that side is not as stable as this side.